Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of Excel training with my class advisor. Index helps you retrieve a value from a particular array at a given location. No, it sounds a bit complicated, but let's see how it works in an example. Suppose I had to find out the fifth row in and the second column in this given range from A3 up until C10. Let's see how index would work. We start off with the formula by mentioning index. Then we select the array, which in this instance is from A3 up until C10. Then we look at the fifth row and the second column. So the fifth row would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second column is Mexico. There you have it. That's how index works. Thank you for watching our video on My Class Advisor. Do share your feedback, or if you would like us to build a video that will help you learn something new, put it in the comments below. If you think this video was helpful, do like and share with your family, colleagues and friends. For more videos like these, do subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon below.